In this camper training video, we will be discussing disinfection, cleaning and maintenance, battery charging and storage. Disinfection. You can disinfect the camper using a quaternary ammonium, bleach, or alcohol wipe. Begin by removing the front comfort strip and dispose of it according to your approved protocol. Wipe down the inside of the helmet, the liner, and rear headband closed cell foam cushion, the battery and battery cord, and all outer surfaces, including the entire filter cover cap. Attach a new comfort strip onto the front of the helmet by attaching the new strip to the front headband and centering it on the headband Velcro strip. Note that only one side of the comfort strip will attach to the headband. General cleaning and maintenance. Do not immerse the helmet in water or other liquid. Replace the filter cartridge whenever there are signs of excessive wear, tears, contamination from blood or bodily fluids, etc., and when the amber LED becomes lighted during operation. Replace the front comfort strip after each use, after each shift, or when it becomes soiled. Wipe down all other camper system components with a quaternary ammonium, bleach, or alcohol wipe. Charging the battery. To charge the lithium-ion battery, be sure the charger is connected to a working outlet. The charger green LED will illuminate when it is connected to an active outlet. Connect the battery to the charger. If the charger green LED remains lighted after a few seconds, the battery is sufficiently charged for reuse. If the charger LED lights red after a few seconds of connecting the battery is being charged. When charging is complete, the charger LED will light green and the battery may be disconnected and is ready for use with the camper system. Battery storage. The battery should not be left on the charger for more than 1 month at a time between uses. Please refer to your camper user's instructions for detailed recommendations for storing batteries during long periods of non-use.